When you're buying a company for £1, it really is £1. And I think people are concerned, well, look, if it needs liquidating, I've got to hire lawyers and accountants or an insolvency practitioner or whatever. The important thing to remember here is that companies pay for their own liquidation. And we target companies more than $500,000 in revenue. So if it has more than $500,000 in revenue, it must have some assets, whether it's debtors or like computers or desks or chairs or something. It must have something that can be liquidated in order to pay for its own insolvency. And if it doesn't have literally anything, if it's completely vacuous and empty, then the government will appoint a receiver and liquidate it. So as a shareholder, you're not liable for the cost of liquidating the business. So literally, if it is an absolute basket case, you can just close the doors and walk away. And in fact, there are ways you can do this without an insolvency practitioner as well. We talk about on the Harbour Club, but ways of actually just closing the company down and legally tying a neat little bow in the old transaction and getting rid of it. And you can always rest assured that we weren't the people that got it into this situation in the first place. So that always makes you feel a little bit better about things. You're just in there. You're like the white knight trying to solve this, trying to help the creditors, trying to help people get some value out of this mess. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click the little bell, and that way you get notified whenever we publish a new video.